Creating a landing page for Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to drive traffic and generate commissions. Here's how to make one. Choose a platform. Use a website builder like Wix, WordPress, Card or Webflow, all of which allow easy creation of landing pages. If you're using WordPress, install a page builder plugin like Elementor. Pick a niche. Decide on a specific niche. This helps you target the right audience and create focused content. Design the page. Keep your layout simple and conversion focused. Create a catchy headline and subheading. Add high quality images or banners. Include short, persuasive product descriptions. Use bullet points for easy readability. Add Amazon affiliate links. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Search for products within your niche and generate affiliate links. Add these links to buttons like Buy Now or Check Price on Amazon. Make sure to include the required affiliate disclosure. Optimize for mobile and SEO. Ensure your page is mobile friendly and includes relevant keywords in titles and descriptions to boost search visibility. Promote the page. Share your landing page via social media, email or ads to drive traffic and increase conversions.